me, I want to show you something.
What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanishia, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey. So we are looking at a beautiful combination here. From our girls, from me to you. Let's get into it. This is the Luvme Hair's All-Day Comfort Platinum Blonde Highlight Loose Body Wave Wig. This wig is a 7x6 wig, as you can see here. She is pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything, so you won't have to do it. Talk about All Day Comfort. We are talking about this 7x6, starting off as the closure. 7x6, you get 7 inches across and 6 inches to the back. Per usual, we have our adjustable band, which is removable, but we are not going to take her out, and she is customized. So we love a good customized band. This is really, really cute though. Like, as far as these grips help hold on to the wig so that your wig does not slip and slide. It ain't going nowhere. You don't got to worry about it. She ain't going to be sliding nowhere. This wig does come with a removable comb. I am not going to take her out because every time I take her out, she just don't never want to act right. When I get ready to put her back, she be slipping and sliding in the wig. So we're going to leave her in there because I need her. I need her to hang on to this back here. Last but not least, my favorite part of the whole entire wig, which is this. This part right here is the part where you can adjust it if you have a large, medium, or small head. That way, you don't have to pick and choose which one, or you don't have to make a big fuss if your wig is too big, if your wig is too small. You get the right adjustment to your wig when it comes to this portion right here. This is what this is made for. Quick and easy. All you have to do is just hook it just like that, and you are secure. As well as secure around your ears as well. We don't want anything scratching or rubbing on our ears, so they have made this C-curve so that our ears are not being touched. If you are a glasses girly, this definitely helps because your glasses will not be getting stuck inside of these. If you are a girl that gets a wig headache, this wig helps keep the pressure off of your temples and around this area so that you don't get those wig headaches. All day comfort means just that. All day comfort. And I love that for us. This wig is a 24-inch. And as you can see, 24 inches, it's pretty long with a Luvme hair wig. So it says 24 inches, but it's given a little bit longer. That's perfect. So first things first, we are going to get out our handy dandy wig cap because she will be needed. I don't want nothing to show up under here. I don't want no imperfections in my wig. So I am going to put on a wig cap for this one. Even though it's hot, she got to get capped. All right, so now our wig cap is on. It is time to put her on, the part that I have been excited for this whole entire time. So as usual, flip her inside out. Flip her inside out. Nothing crazy, nothing too big. Flip her inside out. Put that band behind your head to where it will grip. Make sure it is adjusted properly. Make sure everything is feeling comfortable before you pull her back just like this and pull her down. Just like this. Make sure everything is pulled where you want it to go. Then fold the front part down. Make sure your hair and your ears are lining up with those nice little openings that they have left for us. Pull her back. And this is what she is giving. straight out of the box. It's a little hump right here, but we can fix that. But this is what she is giving, straight out of the box. Nice, comfortable feel. She is snug. My comb is set now. Now my comb is set. So this is what she looks like. Get into this. We are going to brush her out. I do need to find my brush. But before I do that, I need to pull this back. Just a little razzle dazzle. And then I'm going to go in. I got to find my wax stick because I want that to lay down. I don't know why that is doing that in this particular section. But we're going to lay that down. And we're going to get into it. But oh, look at the little peekaboo. I'm excited. I did find my wax spray. Didn't find my wax stick. But I didn't want to go too in depth before I fix this right here, because we are going to be styling a little bit. I may do it on camera. I may do it off camera. I'm not particularly for sure. But if I don't do it on camera, make sure you follow me on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok so you can see styles that I do outside of YouTube, because I just like to present the looks to you on YouTube. I'm going to get back into my styling a little bit later on, but get into that. Get into how you can part this in any section that you like. Oh, let me go to the other side so you don't miss that. Look how they have bleached these knots and just made this wig all out good. Now I am going to take my dimming brush while my hot comb is heating up and just brush these curls out just a little bit so we can see a little bit more of that color. Look at that. This is straight out of the box. Nothing too special at all going on. You don't have to do anything extra if you are a beginner girly. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. If you don't know how to style, if you don't know how to do anything extra like that, this will help. This wig is perfect for the beginner girls who don't know how to do anything extra. Look how pretty that is. Go to the back. Now they said this was 22, 24. One of those I think I said in the beginning. Can't particularly remember, but this is really long. And that's what I love about a Love Me Hair wig. When they give you inches, they give you the inches. This hair is nice and full and fluffy and soft. Everything that you could really look for in a wig. They definitely did their thing with coloring this wig. Y'all, wait till I flip this back around and we see how it looks without me having to go in and do any extra razzle dazzle. Because y'all know I'll go in and razzle dazzle a wig real quick. So without me having to do any super duper extra razzling and dazzling, this is what we get right here. Straight out of the box. The body, the shine, the color, the highlight, platinum. That's platinum. She's nice. She is really nice. I like this. I like the length. I like the color, especially in the back. It's giving a skunk stripe. That's what it's reminding me of. Remember when people used to do the little skunk stripes at the top? That's what it makes me think of when I see how they highlighted it. And I like that. So I'm just flat ironing in that, hot combing that little part that was sticking up down so it don't look like I got a Humpty Dumpty head. Then what you can do up here, if you don't like that flat part, don't burn yourself, because I be terrified. And I do be burning myself for y'all on these videos. But you can bring that in to make it give it a little bit of a curtain bang. So it can come in to your... So it can come into your face just a little bit. Y'all, I swear, straight out of the box. I have not had to do too much. Y'all saw it. If I clipped it and came back, it was for me to find something. This is it. This is what you get. Y'all, they showing out. Showing out. They showing out with the wigs, y'all. Look. Give me a minute. Okay, so yes, straight out of the box, this is what we get. Get into how they have done the skunk stripe in here. Nice, pretty layers of color highlights. Very, 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 very pretty. Even in the back, we are getting color. Nice, pretty color. But again, this is an all-day comfort wig. This is Luvme Hair's Platinum Highlights Loose Body Wave Wig. This is in the inch 24. 24 inches. This is how long you get with a 24 inch. Let me pull her all together. All the way down here. This wig does have minimal shedding, which is a given with a colored wig or a bleached wig. That is a given. This wig is not heavy at all. It's not hurting me at all. And as you can see, I have not done really anything to this wig to make it blend, to make it look good, and it looks good straight out of the box. So for that, I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. And I did put a little bit of heat on it. And per usual, I'd go high and mess it up so you don't have to. So we went with a 450 on the hot comb. Didn't burn. Didn't burn. Laces intact. Everything is intact the way it's supposed to be. No singes in my scalp or my hair. This wig is perfect. This wig is definitely perfect. So, you know what? I am going to end this video right here. If you want to see how I styled it or if I made any changes to it, follow me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Preferably TikTok and Instagram. Those two get the most action. Follow me on there. See how I styled this wig. Make a comment. All of that good stuff. As far as this wig right here, as far as what you are looking at right here, this will be in my description box. And in the comments, all the links will be there. Make sure you use the coupon code Tanishia so you don't miss out on saving for a deal. Don't miss out on a deal. Save you some money. Save you a coin. Because we know it's getting rough out here. So, save you some money and look good in the process. Get this wig. Get this wig. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.